Hey friends, I just wanted to pop in midweek with you with a surprise video about a new launch that I have. Now we're all homebound because of COVID, I know. You probably have a lot of free time on your hands, and I think this is the perfect time to learn a new skill. So I just launched my new website, JennJager.com, and I'm going to be hosting tutorials about how to do different technical things in video production that are designed for like the beginner to intermediate level. My first instructional video is called the Doodly Genius Track. I show you how to take the Doodly software and elevate what you can do with it with secret tips and workarounds. It's about an hour plus long course, and it's literally like you're sitting next to me and I'm showing you how I do everything, including my total workflow that I've honed over a couple decades of video production experience. So if you want to check out that Doodly Genius Track, head on over to JennJager.com. And I'm working on a bunch of other tutorials. If there's something specific you really want to learn about, let me know in the comments. I hope you're all staying safe, and I'll see you soon.